Sexy welding people, today 4 things you didn't know about the king of welding, stick welding. Stick welding, guys, is the only process that you can do underwater. MIG and TIG welding can be done underwater, so that's one thing that stick welding can only do. That's why it's the king of all welding, guys. Stick welding, guys, can weld aluminum, stainless, carbon steel, anything pretty much. Stick welding, guys, is cheaper than TIG or MIG because you don't need no gas. The electrode has their own thing right here. The flux covers the wall, so it's the cheapest welding procedure out there. It's fast, it's not complicated, so I love it, especially the smell of 6 to 10 in the morning. Oh my gosh, I love it the mother. Stick welding, guys, is that you can weld under wind conditions. If it's windy, ain't no matter, because you're not using no gas. So welding with wind, the stick welding is the king. Oh my gosh, I love it the mother.